Machine's home both directions. When it's home, you can advance the probe down, but only when it's home, in the home position. And then bring it back up. Have to hit the retract button twice. Then I can put it in jog mode. Hit the rapid button here and jog it over. Jog it down, up, over. Or I can click on the hand wheel on the x-axis, control it by the hand wheel. We'll click the z-axis. And then to index the head, press the index button. The spindle, turn that on, just hit the button right here. We can turn the speed up and down by the potentiometer. Stop, reverse, speed up, down, stop.